construction. In this video, we're diving into one of the most transformative construction materials, paint. Paint is more than just a splash of colors. It's a magic touch that brings life to buildings inside and out.
Whether it's about accentuating a view,
Increasing visual appeal of a surface, protecting surfaces from insects, rain,
solar radiation, and other external factors, waterproofing,
and lastly, increase surface durability. But what is paint made of?
Did you know that paints are thin coatings applied to surfaces in a liquid form? Paint dries and become flexible solids. It's because paints contain a binder that hardens. And the main ingredients of paints are pigments, strainers, extenders, dryers, hardeners, thinners, solvents, and gelling agents. And some water-thin paints contain emulsifiers. In order to achieve smooth and even surface, we have three-coat paint system, which is primer for first coat to seal and protect the surface. Undercoating paints, sometimes used to obscure the primer as a further protective coating and finishing paint. And lastly, finishing paints that are produced in a wide range of colors and finishes. There are two classifications of paints, which are oil-based and water-based paints. The following are the oil-based paints. Oil paint. Oil paints are used whitely as a base and are applied in three coats: primer, undercoat, and finish coat. Oil paints can achieve matte and glossy finishes while being durable and affordable. Another one is enamel paint. This type of paint is produced by adding lead or zinc to varnish. Pigments are added to achieve a wide variety of colors. Enamel paints from hard and glossy coatings which are easily cleaned. Next in line is bituminous paint. This type of paint is made from dissolved asphalt or tar, which give it a characteristic black color. It is a waterproof and alkali resistant but not suitable for applications where it will be exposed to the sun since it deteriorates. Bituminous paint is commonly used in underwater ironworks, concrete foundations, wooden surfaces, and iron pipes. Next is aluminum paint. This type of paint is produced by mixing aluminum particles with oil varnish. It is resistant to corrosion, electricity, and weather exposure. Aluminum paint is commonly used for metals and woods, and some specific applications are gas tanks, oil tanks, water pipes, and radiators. Anti-corrosive paint. Anti-corrosive paint is characterized by its chemical resistance as implied by its name. It is made from linseed oil, zinc chrome, and fine sand. Anti-corrosive paint has a black color and is durable and affordable. It is normally used for metallic surfaces and pipes. Next is synthetic rubber paint. This paint is made from dissolved synthetic resins and can include pigments. It has a moderate cost and its main benefits are chemical resistance, fast drying, and weather resistance. Synthetic rubber paint is used for concrete surfaces in general, and these include fresh concrete. Last is cellulose paint. Cellulose paint is produced from celluloid sheets, amyl acetate, and photographic films. Adhesion can be improved by adding castor oil, and surfaces can be easily cleaned and washed once the paint has dried. This type of paint is characterized by its quick drying, smooth finish, and hardness while offering resistance to water, smoke, and acids.
water-based paints. Cement paint. Cement paint is available in powder form, which is mixed with water to achieve paint consistency. The base material is white or colored cement, and it may also contain pigments, accelerators, and other additives. Cement paint is durable and waterproof, and it is commonly used in rough internal and external surfaces. Next is the plastic paint. This paint uses water as a thinner, and it is available in a wide range of colors. It dries very quickly and offers high coverage. The following are some common applications: walls and ceilings of auditoriums, showrooms, display rooms, slabs, and decks. Silicate paint. Silicate paint is made from a mixture of silica and resinous substances. Its performance benefits include good adhesion, hardness, heat resistance, and being chemically unreactive with metals. Therefore, this type of paint is commonly used in metal structures. Casein paint. This paint is made from casein mixed with white pigments. It is available in powder and paste form, and pigments can be added. Casein paint is commonly used to paint walls, ceilings, and wood. Non-washable distemper consists of chalk powder mixed with animal glue dissolved in hot water. It is cheap but easily rubbed or washed off and therefore suitable only for whitening ceilings. Washable distemper or water paint consists of drying oil or casein, emulsified in water with the addition of pigments and extenders. Hardening is slow, but after a month, it can withstand moderate scrubbing. Whitewash or lime wash consists of lime mixed with water. It can be used on all types of wall, including earth walls, and is cheap, but its lack of water resistance and poor weathering properties make it inferior to emulsion rural structures in the tropics. Next is the emulsion paint. Emulsion paints use polyvinyl acetate and polystyrene as binding materials, and they contain dryers like cobalt and manganese. Emulsion paints are characterized by their fast drying and hardening, and surfaces can be cleaned easily with water.
We hope you learned from this video. Bye-bye!